New revelations emerging tonight in the Delphi murders case. Just 2 hours ago, we learned Richard Allen's defense team is asking the judge to set a deadline for the prosecutor to share all the evidence. 13 Investigates senior reporter Bob Siegel is in studio to report that Allen's attorneys say they're not getting the state's evidence quickly enough to be ready for that trial in January.
The motion filed Monday afternoon says the state turned over 16 hard drives, 4 flash drives, and 1 disk of information related to the murder case from December of last year through this June. But they say in just the past 3 weeks, the state turned over an additional 14 hard drives, 5 more flash drives, and 3 more disks, a vast amount of information, greatly increasing what defense attorneys must review prior to trial. They claim some of the newly provided information from the state, including interviews, a letter, and a search warrant, supports their theory that Abby Williams and Libby German were killed not by Richard Allen, but instead by other people, possibly as part of a ritualistic sacrifice. And they say a warrant signed by a judge in Marion County was for internet and phone records of an unknown person who admitted to killing the girls, even providing details unknown to the general public of the crime scene. The defense team says they must conduct at least 30 to 40 more depositions, and to conduct those interviews, they want the prosecutor to produce all evidence in its possession immediately, fearing otherwise a continual drip, drip, drip of evidence. They say without a firm discovery deadline, it is impossible to expect the defendant to be fully prepared for trial. Allen's defense team wants the prosecutor to turn over all evidence and information no later than November 1st. That's what they've asked the judge to order in this new motion.
And again, Bob, right now the trial is scheduled to start January 8th, right?
And they say they don't have a lot of time, and that's why they want this deadline put in place.
Yeah, Bob Siegel's been covering this for a long time. We'll continue to cover it. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.